as I said, the other choice, if I just let her play again, it's going to be Kappa 1-8. Oh my goodness, let's see what that sounds like. So that's about as high as I'd ever really want to put a capo on this thing. As you can tell, it's starting to go out of tune. Can you go this high? Let me just see if I can tighten that up a wee bit. You're not going to believe this, guys. That's in tune. That can't be right. Yeah, it's blue. Okay, how's that possible? No way. That's in chin. Oh, there we go, guys. Must be because it's Easter or something. But yeah, that's very super rare that would ever happen for me. That's in chin. Everything else must be out of chin then. Oops. Doesn't sound. That does not sound in chin. Always rely on your ears, guys, more than the chinner. The chinner can only get you so far. That sounds flat. I'm just gonna... There we go. Okay. Well, let's try it up here for starters, and then we'll go down low, because I'm not sure about having it so, you know, plinky plonky up here. I'm just going to show you guys like the two different ways of doing this then in B flat. I shall bring up, I'll show you what I'm doing on the screen here just to let you sort of see behind the curtain a wee bit. As and I don't really use the video when I'm sort of accompanying or recording this. I'm going to be using the cue sheet that I made with the audio, so I can see exactly where we are at any point in the music. So I'm just going to open this up for you guys. Yeah, see the way this is like the A section repeated, I'm assuming, B section repeated, A section repeated, B section repeated. So A, B, B. Each A section and B section is repeated, and the whole tune is repeated from here. So I can start off here with the big sort of long draw at the start. It's lovely. It's a sort of almost like a very sort of American Appalachian sort of sound. Yeah, I'm thinking of the soundtrack The Cold Mountain or something, listening to that. But if I go over here, straight into it. So depending on which way you want to do it, let's listen to the whole thing. Let's do it from, so we can get it repeated a wee bit. And 1, 2, 3. What happens at the end? I just split there, what happens? Let me just see, guys. I'm just going to try and experiment out here just to see. Yeah, it probably needs to go a wee bit further. Let me just hear this again. Again, you see behind the curtain what I'm doing. I'm trying to make it so that this section repeats and so it sounds well.